Unveiling the past. The mystery of time. Does the past really exist? This simple question unravels a complex web of ideas about time. Imagine a world where time is just an illusion. It seems absurd, yet this is what some scientists propose. They argue that past, present, and future are equally real, but how can this be? Enter Albert Einstein. His theories have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. They also challenge our perception of time. For most of us, time moves forward like a river. Yesterday is gone, today is now, and tomorrow is yet to come. But according to Einstein, this view might be fundamentally flawed. Einstein's theories suggest that time is not a separate entity. Instead, it is intertwined with space itself, forming a four-dimensional continuum. This concept shakes the very foundation of how we perceive reality. It opens the door to the possibility that the past never really goes away. To grasp these mind-bending ideas, we need a basic understanding of Einstein's theories. Let's start with the special theory of relativity. This theory, proposed in 1905, introduced the notion that time and space are not absolute. Instead, they are relative and depend on the observer's motion. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, tells us that mass and energy are interchangeable. But more importantly, this theory showed that time can slow down or speed up. This phenomenon, called time dilation, occurs when objects move at speeds close to the speed of light. Time becomes fluid, not fixed. Next, Einstein's general theory of relativity, introduced in 1915, took these ideas further. It described gravity not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time. Massive objects like planets and stars warp the fabric of space-time around them. This warping affects the passage of time. These theories imply that past, present, and future are interwoven. They exist on a continuum that doesn't distinguish between them. This challenges our everyday experience of time as a linear progression from past to future. Einstein's theories propose that time might not flow at all. Instead, all moments in time exist simultaneously. This concept is sometimes referred to as the block universe theory. In this view, the past, present, and future are all equally real and coexist. If this is true, then the past isn't something that has vanished. It's still out there, just as real as the present moment. This idea can be disconcerting. It's a radical departure from how we usually think about time. It suggests that our perception of time's passage is just that, a perception, not reality. Consider what this means for our memories. We think of memories as remnants of the past, but if the past still exists, then memories are not just echoes. They are connections to moments that are still out there in the space-time continuum. This blurs the line between past and present. Moreover, this view has profound implications for our concept of free will. If future events are already out there, can we really change them? Or are we just moving along a predetermined path in a vast block universe? These questions challenge our deepest beliefs about life and reality. The past, the static entity or a fleeting memory? If the past still exists, what does that mean for our understanding of history? Traditionally, we see history as a sequence of events leading up to the present. But in a block universe, those events are frozen in time, never to be altered. They are as real as the now. This view can be unsettling. It suggests that nothing is ever truly lost. Every moment remains etched into the fabric of space-time. This permanence contrasts sharply with the fleeting nature of our experiences. We feel time slipping away, but Einstein's theories suggest it doesn't. Emotionally, this challenges our sense of closure. We often seek to move on from the past. Yet if the past is always there, how do we reconcile with it? It also raises questions about regret and memory. Are we haunted by something that is still happening in another part of the space-time continuum? Furthermore, this concept can provide comfort. It means that moments of joy and love are never truly gone. They continue to exist somewhere in the vast expanse of the universe. This duality of permanence and impermanence can be both comforting and disconcerting. Reality and the space-time continuum. The implications of Einstein's theories stretch beyond time. They challenge our entire perception of reality. If time is a dimension like space, then our experience of moving through it is an illusion. We are not traveling from the past to the future. We are simply existing in a four-dimensional block, This idea can make reality seem more complex and mysterious. It suggests that everything we experience is part of a larger, unchanging whole. Our lives are not a series of fleeting moments. They are part of a grand tapestry that includes all of time and space. This perspective has philosophical implications too. It challenges the idea of a linear cause and effect universe. Instead, it suggests that all events are interconnected in ways we can't fully understand. This interconnectedness can change how we view our actions and their consequences. Moreover, it raises questions about the nature of existence. If all times exist equally, what does it mean to exist now? Are we just perceiving a slice of a much larger reality? These questions push us to rethink our place in the universe and our understanding of what it means to be alive. The perception of reality. So, does the past really exist? According to Einstein's theories, it does. But this existence is not in the way we typically understand it. All moments in time are part of an unchanging continuum. This challenges our everyday experience and our fundamental beliefs about time and reality. This view opens up numerous questions. If time doesn't flow, what is our experience of it? If the past is still out there, how do we relate to it? And if the future is already determined, what does that mean for our choices? These are not just scientific questions, but philosophical ones. Einstein's theories invite us to explore these ideas deeply. They push us to reconsider what we know about existence. They remind us that reality might be more complex and mysterious than we ever imagined. This exploration can be both thrilling and daunting. In the end, we are left with more questions than answers. But these questions are vital. They drive us to seek a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it. They challenge us to look beyond the surface of reality and explore the profound mysteries of time and space. Please subscribe to Tasty Lemon Films for more intriguing content on science and philosophy. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.